Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the Red Empire. Today we're going to be restoring this $2 Santa Fe Tyco engine I got from Great Lakes Hobby and Train in Sterling Heights. And yeah, it was $2 and does not run. The body is in really good condition. It does not have any scratches or anything. There's just a little bit of sticky left from the price tag up top. But yeah. It was marked as does not run, so today we're going to fix that. So I already put it on the track and I tested it, and if you move it around a little bit, the light comes on, but the engine does not run. So without any further ado, let's take it apart and get it working. So now that it's on the track, you guys can see when we give it power, nothing really happens. You just get a light and that's about it. But yeah, now we're going to get to fixing it up. So here we go with the time lapse. Alright guys, so now that we've got the wheels clean, we're going to go ahead and test it. And look at that. A little bit jerky, but I think once we get it put together, it should work pretty good.